Kids, have you ever seen a clock like this one? Maybe at home, in your school, in shops, or even on your kitchen wall? You might have wondered, how do people know what time it is? Just by looking at those hands going round and round? Well, guess what? Today, we're going to learn that secret together in a fun and easy way. We'll look at clocks, play a guessing game, and learn words like o'clock, half past, quarter to, and quarter past. Are you ready to become a time-telling superstar? We will show you the clock, and you have to guess what time it is. Let's go! Here's the first one. What time do you think it is? It's 4 o'clock. The short hand is on 4 and the long hand is on 12. Ooh, here's another. What's the time now? It's 8 o'clock. Great job. Look closely. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. You're doing awesome. This one looks a little different. Can you guess? It's 6:30. The long hand is on 6, halfway around the clock. What about this one? It's 12:30. That means 30 minutes after 12. Now try this one. What's the time? It's 12:15. That's 15 minutes after 12. Ooh, this one's a bit tricky. Can you figure it out? It's 9:45, just 15 minutes before 10 o'clock. This one is a classic. Do you know it? It's 12 o'clock. Lunchtime for some, bedtime for others. Let's see if you can guess this one. It's 10 o'clock. Well done. Last one. Look closely. It's 10 minutes past 8. Great going. Now here's a little bonus. Have you heard people say AM and PM when they talk about time? It's simple. AM is the time before 12 o'clock, that is lunchtime, or like when you wake up or go to school. PM is the time after lunchtime, like when you play, have dinner, or go to sleep. So if someone says 10 a.m., that's morning, and 8 p.m. is nighttime. Easy peasy. Wow, you did an amazing job today. You are now a time-telling superstar. That means you can read the clock, plan your playtime, and even help your parents stay on schedule. So next time someone asks, "What time is it?" you'll know just what to say. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and we'll see you next time.
Yay, that was so much fun! Did you like the video? Then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends so they can learn along too. Bye-bye! See you soon on PoPoBuzz.